Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Muscletech Hydroxycut Elite. Take one capsule with water 30 to 60 minutes before your workout or activity, and do not exceed the recommended daily amount. Monitor how your body responds to the stimulant blend, pause use if you feel adverse effects, and keep hydrated throughout the day. Pair the supplement with a balanced diet and consistent exercise routine for safer, better results. Before adding any thermogenic supplement, check your medical history and current meds with a professional. Keep doses within recommended limits and avoid driving or operating machinery if you feel jittery. Track sleep quality and reduce other caffeine sources to minimize sleep disruption. Store the product away from children and follow label instructions for storage and handling. Be cautious and patient as your body adapts to the formula, adjusting use as needed. Timing matters for stimulants. Take your dose before your most active part of the day or prior to workouts for best performance effects. Combine with a moderate calorie deficit and enough protein to preserve lean mass while pursuing fat loss. Stay well hydrated because stimulants can increase fluid needs, and plan workouts that match your energy levels. Track progress with photos and measurements, not just scale weight, to see real changes over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.